Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I made an order on Instagram recently. I think it was last week. I saw a few of our crafty friends on Instagram sharing their purchase of this wonderful, beautiful seam binding. So I got my order in, and let me just open this. I just got it in last night, and today is Wednesday, so I don't want to cut anything, but look at this beautiful envelope, guys. I love that. It is from Erin Blagan, and her Instagram page, I'm sorry for the crinkling. She got a card on here. It's called, I think it's oh, it's so pretty. This beautiful seam binding just reminds me of Cat. So I purchased a little bit. A little. It was a very small order, as you can see. But look at this gorgeous envelope seal. And that's what the card looks like. And it just says, "Thank you, Eileen. I hope you love all your beautiful seam binding. I have included a bundle of Midnight." Oh my gosh, she gave me bonus. All my best, Erin. Thank you, Erin. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. So, like I was saying, I saw some of the ladies on Instagram and YouTube ordering from her. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I ordered a few bundles of seam binding. This must be the extra, this one. Yep, there you go. That's the one. It says thank you. It says thank you for supporting my small business. I love supporting small business, ladies. Thank you very much. Because I myself was trying to, oh, I don't know why I did that. Okay, I think it's the Scrap Cabin Shop. I'm horrible. I'm so sorry. I will find the name of her shop, because she has a YouTube page. She has a YouTube channel and an Instagram. So here it is. Scrap Cabin Shop. Yeah. My Scrap Cabin Shop. There we go. Oh, anyway, I'll link it in this video. Isn't that gorgeous, ladies? Look at this seam binding. I ordered a bunch because I want to gift some, because there's, you know, just so many ladies that have been so kind to me and supportive and all that. So I wanted to gift some, but I also wanted to create with it, because it is just gorgeous. Look at this thing. Look at the color. And I believe this is the Midnight. Oh, Midnight. Yep, Midnight. That's what it's called. But look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. You know what? Let me do this really quick, ladies. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I had to go take a photo of this. I'm so sorry. So I purchased 4 of her. She made like bundles, and they're like little color stories, if you will. I ordered a few of the pretty Easter type colors. So this, like I said, was the extra, her little thank you, which is so gorgeous. I love it. I don't recall how many yards you get. It's so gorgeous. I don't want to mess it up. But I will take it out so we could see. I think this was, oops, I think this was one set. I think this was one family, I believe. This one was a different set. And I think this was a set. Look at this gorgeous color. I love it. And I believe this was a set. This one right here. I think this was, I don't remember. Let me see if I can get my email to pop up because this is so gorgeous and it was so affordable, guys. And if you met a certain dollar amount, you got free shipping from her, or because it was on Etsy, if you made a dollar purchase, a dollar amount purchase, oh my god, I can't talk right now because I'm just excited, but you'll get free shipping. Okay, here. So it's an Etsy purchase, but she sold her items, or she showcased her items on Instagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I bought 5 sets because I wanted to make that dollar amount. But the first set was the spring. Oh, it won't. Okay, it's taking me to her shop. Go back. Anyway, it was a limited pack, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Okay, so it was these 4 colors. This was the first set. Yep, I got them right. And this was the second set. And this 1, 2, 3 was the third set. And this shabby bundle, this is not it. This 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is one set. And yeah, the shabby chic bundle came with 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. So the rest of it, 1, 2, 3 were the first 3 sets. This was a bundle. The rest are in the envelope or in the plastic. And in this bundle, the shabby bundle, were 4 kits. So we have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 is a kit. This is extra, and then this is a bundle kit. So we have the white, the mustard, and the pink. Right? Is it this pink? The white, the mustard, and the rose, I guess it's the color. I'm not sure. And then I have the brown, the pink, and the gray. So that's another kit right here. And then there's the gray, pink, and the mauve color. This kit right here. So 1, 2, 3, and then this last one is 1 kit, set of 3. You guys can see all that? I hope you can see all of that. So I got actually 5 kits. I had 5. 1, so you can see right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the shabby chic seam binding bundle. It's not going to show because I purchased it. So, and there was only 1 left of everything. So this was a whole shabby chic bundle. This right here. This is a kit. This is a kit. This is a kit, and this is a kit. You can see here there's multiple of the same color. So this is the same color as this and this. So these 3 are of the same color. So that was the other thing about it, was I wanted to have more than 1 so that I could be able to share. I could share with my friends. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to share. Well, actually, there's a 4th one. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the same color. Because pink is about everybody's favorite. Although I love my purple. I love purple. My favorite color is purple. Pink is just apparently on everything. See this purple right here? That is gorgeous. I don't know if you want to call it a purple, but I'm calling it purple. And I love this. A touch of blue. Touch of blue. So there's actually only 2 blues. Her freebie and then this blue, baby blue right here. Alright guys, I just wanted to come on here, share my little haul with you, and also share this little My Scrap Cabin shop on Instagram and Etsy and YouTube, and go check her out because it's pretty awesome. I love her unique item that she sells, which is seam binding. I don't know other shops that are selling seam binding, but it is what it is. I'm talking gibberish now. Remember, I don't know how to use my words. So go check her out. She has a bunch of new colors coming out and it's awesome. Her prices are very reasonable. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me go because I just, English is my second language apparently. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.